Hi, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is the HL-PX68A. It's Panasonic's top-of-the-range built-in oven that's packed with features for entertainers who want accurate cooking results and no-fuss cleaning. Key features for this model include pyrolytic self-cleaning, 11 cooking functions including an air fry function for crispy, healthier meals without a separate appliance. It has a large 78-litre capacity, which is great for families and entertainers. Dual lighting for great visibility inside, digital touch controls and a digital thermostat for accurate temperature control, telescopic shelves and a soft closed door for easy access and handling, and a quad glazed door for extra insulation during a pyro clean. Accessory wise, it comes with a deep tray, a shallow tray, a wire rack and an air fry basket. Now what I like about this model is you get a feature-rich oven with premium features, but it's still easy to use for the everyday home cook. You select your cooking function here, tap fast preheat to get it to temperature quickly, and there's even a little status bar to let you know how close it is to ready. Then, when it's at temperature, you put your food in, set your cooking time, and press play to start. Easy. The PX68A is the only Panasonic oven with pyrolytic self-cleaning. So, if you're planning on using your oven a lot and want cleaning to be as easy as possible, then this is the one to get. Now the other unique feature for this model is the built-in air fry function. Air fry cooking has become really popular recently for a healthier way to get your food crispy and delicious without having to deep fry it in oil. Now having this function built into the oven means you don't have to buy a separate appliance, giving you back your bench space, which is something that many modern homes now struggle with. One thing to note, when using the air fry function, because it's a larger cavity, your cooking time will be longer compared to a smaller benchtop air fryer. You do get the benefit of a much larger basket though, so you can cook more at once, and there are 10 auto cooking menus with air fry that you can use to take the guesswork out of the cavity size versus the instructions on the packet. The rest of the oven features are designed around having premium essential functionality. So you've got the telescopic rails and soft closed door with dual lighting for easy handling, a child lock, timer and fast preheat functions so you can pretty much set and forget when you're in a busy kitchen, and a digital thermostat and touch controls for more accurate cooking temperatures. If you're looking for more information on the PX68A, then check out Panasonic.com for a full list of specifications. Or if you're looking for other kitchen appliances, check out one of our other videos on Panasonic cooktops, fridges and more. Thanks for watching, see you later.